Hey guys, I got a cool little gadget today. It's called the Show Me Virtual Laser Keyboard and Battery Pack. I think it'll make a kind of cool accessory for the exoskeleton for setting up a mobile command station. Anyways, let's take a look at it, and I'm giving one away, so one lucky subscriber is going to win one of these. Let's take a look. So it's kind of hard to see, but it has a little laser projector right here, which shines down on the ground in front of it. And on the bottom is a small distance sensor. So this calculates where your fingers are relative to the keyboard, and that's how it knows what keys you press. In addition to being a small laser keyboard, it's also a 5200 mAh battery pack, so you can recharge your phone with it. It comes with a micro USB cord, which can be used to charge it, or to use it as a keyboard. A small array of LED lights indicates the charge level, and to turn on the keyboard, hold the on button for about 2 seconds. It can also be used to charge your phone simultaneously. It can be used with Android tablets, it can be used with Chromebooks, and of course PCs, as well as Macs, but I don't have a Mac. As for the actual keyboard, I'm pretty impressed with it. It can only register one click at a time, which means unfortunately you're going to have to type a bit slower than you normally would on a regular keyboard. But, as you can see, the accuracy is pretty good. So I made one typo. You do have to be careful with where you put your fingers, but in general, it's fairly accurate, and you can type pretty fast. I'm going to just show you going between two keys. It also has Bluetooth. It even has a mouse function. Simply hold down the FN key and press the mouse button. The keyboard dims, and now you have a mouse. That's pretty cool. All in all, it's a pretty cool little piece of tech. I quite like it. So, you want to win one? Well, it's really simple. All you have to do is be subscribed to my YouTube channel, like this video, and then follow the instructions in the description of this video. After 1 month, I'll be picking a winner at random to receive one of these for free. Good luck! Did I mention you can use it to tease your cats?